Fake states. May 18, 2019 by Anna von Reitz. Regarding Tim Allen and his group pretending to represent Pennsylvania and Robert in Michigan and his group pretending to represent Michigan. Unfortunately for them, no matter what their theories are, they don't have proper standing without everyone in their assembly doing the paperwork and reclaiming their singular allegiance to their state. I have explained this until I am blue in the face, and I am not explaining it anymore. No United States citizen and no citizens of the United States may partake in any action affecting our states of the Union. Period. Tim and Robert and their respective tainted versions of state assemblies will be dropped from the American States Assembly roster. They will not be listed as coordinators, and they will not be allowed to return or be associated with us or our states of the Union until they correct their mistake and come back in line with their obligations under the constitutions. I disavow and alienate them from everything and anything that the American States Assembly is doing, and I refuse any responsibility for any arrests or other unpleasantness that they or the members of their groups suffer as a result of their stubborn refusal to read what is in front of their faces. You can't build a brick house with straw or with sticks. And they can't call any valid Continental Congress either.